My bad. I should have done this earlier. Alright. Let's get the blitz on the road. In this episode, we're drawing My Bad. Anyways, as I was saying before, we're drawing My Bad from Yokai Watch 3. My Bad is one of the American versions of the regular yokai that we see in Japan. He's the American version. He's the American version of So Sorry. He has the same personality as of So Sorry, only he says my bad. I'll bet he says that stuff about I bet he says the same stuff as So Sorry. I'm not sure if he does, but I'll bet he does. Alright. Instead of having the hands posed the way So Sorry did, pose them like this. There's his hand. That's one. Here's the other hand. My bad. Alright, if he's here, I will find him. Here's his other hand.
I'll repeat the song.
All right. Here's the Japanese marks. Now we draw the American letters. Got that. Now we draw the rest of his ghost tail. And complete. That's my bad. He looks a lot like So Sorry, except he doesn't have a nose. Don't tell him I said that. But at least I finally got him finished. Anyways, I'm happy you guys enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what awesome character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. My bad! Stop saying that!